One thing that we're really excited about is cycle times and subcycle times. Behind the hood, what we do is we track the progress of these different matters, no matter what type of work type they are. But we can do things like measure the status of a contract as it moves through different stages. So every field that you're seeing on the screen is completely configurable. For example, we have a view here called total time with legal, and we've created a custom status that allows us to see where the matter is sitting in relation to personnel. All of these options that you're seeing here in the dropdown are, again, completely configurable. Under the hood, you'll see the reporting to give us a minute, hour, day view of exactly how long each of these matters are sitting at a matter level, but also at an aggregate level. We can also do things like report on first response time. How long is it taking us as a team to actually get back to the business once they submit a request? You can see here a breakdown of that information is seen in this first response time and gives us that information to have a conversation with the business. Let's transition now to the reporting side now that we've seen how matters are managed. In this particular view, we're seeing the reporting capabilities within the matter management product that gives us a 360 view of what's happening within the team. Along the top row, we'll see that we have a count of the total number of matters, total number that are open and completed. But we can take that a little further and see time-based metrics, things like average cycle time across the entire team, the total time that our teams are actually spending on matters, how many matters have taken longer than 3 days to complete, average time with the business, average time with legal, and then average first response time. So some really powerful reporting is being unlocked by virtue of those fields that we saw earlier in the intake portion, as well as the management portion being married together to power these charts.